everyone, welcome to my Nookery. My name's Linda and welcome to July's Sock It To Me Challenge 2022, which my Kim from Kim Crochets and Knits and myself are hosting. I've only managed to do one pair of socks this month, and these are the vanilla socks by the Sock Lady, and I've done a pair of socks, and they fit Rick. Rick's tried them on and they are the thumbnail, so the picture of the socks being worn are worn by my lovely Rick. And for these socks I used Yarn Art Crazy Colour. It's a 2-weight yarn, a fine 2-weight yarn, and I used my Knit Pro circular needles, 3mm, my Knit Pro, and then I used my Clover bamboo DPNs to do the heel turn and the toe. So I also want to thank Melissa, Melissa's Crochet and Melissa's Knit and Crochet Spot, Amy Knits, Ingrid Inspirations, and Mimi Cat Do, Kathy Dahlstrom. So thank you ladies for sharing your socks. At the end of this video there will be a slideshow of all the ladies' socks. So thank you guys, thank you. I am so appreciative of you taking part. Now on to August's sock. And for August I am going to be doing both Kim and I were doing a patterned sock this time, and I am going to be doing Butterfly Kisses socks by the lovely Kay from the Crazy Sock Lady, and it will be part of my sock challenge for 2022. And yeah, the Summer Sock Camp 2022, so that's what I'll be doing. And the yarn I'm using is from my Hobby Lobby clearance haul that went live on Sunday, so I'll put the link to that video underneath, and all the links to the lovely content creators who actually took part, who have shared their socks with us. Please go and check them out. So I'm going to be using Peyton's Croy socks, and I got this for $2.24 and they were $7.99 guys, so I saved over I saved about £200 with all the socks that I bought, with all the yarn that I bought. These are a 1-weight yarn, they're super fine, and yeah, and this one is called Zebra Stripes. It is, let me see, it's 75% wool, 25% nylon, and they're 50 grams, 1.75 ounces, and there's 152 meters, 166 yards. And this is, so I've got 2 of them, and I'm going to make these socks. I'm going to make them socks, yay! So I'm dead excited to get started. And so they're all in here, all ready and waiting with my little sock bag. And yeah, so that's all from me for July's Sock It To Me Challenge 22. I want to thank each and every one of you for taking, who are taking part. Doesn't matter if you crochet socks, share them with me and I can put them in August's video. And I just want to welcome all my new subscribers. I'm not far off 5k now guys. I think I've just got over 100 and odd. before I hit my 5k. How amazing is that, guys? So I might just do it before my birthday in September. Yay! So welcome to everybody. Thank you for the thumbs up, for your comments, for attending my lives and everything else. I really, really do appreciate each and every one of you. I don't know how I would have got through the past couple of years without you guys. You keep me grounded, you make me laugh, and you give me so much joy. So that's all from me. Take care, stay safe, but as I always say, guys, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye for now.